Hi everyone, welcome to Planet's quarterly update on Microsoft 365 and AI. We'll start off with Microsoft Teams. First thing they're looking to add in August is the ability to analyze content in real time during Microsoft Teams screen share. This was actually added, this was added to the roadmap last year, at the end of last year, and it's been delayed quite a few times now. But the premise behind it is the ability to ask Copilot real-time questions on whatever's been shown on the screen. So Copilot, if it is on, it is recording the screen and making real-time judgments on it. Similar to the feature OpenAI launched last year, which then Microsoft Windows Recall was released after that as well. The ability to customize live captions as well. This would just help with accessibility within Teams for people with color blindness or hard of seeing. And channel agents as well. So channel agents are very similar to SharePoint agents, the ability to create an agent just for that Microsoft Teams channel, similar to like a SharePoint site, that they will now be available in Teams. They're looking to add personal prompts for users within OneDrive. So Copilot hasn't worked, well, it has worked in Copilot in OneDrive, but they're adding more abilities to be able to integrate and work with Copilot. The ability to export PDF, this also came out last year. It was delayed again, but they're doing more stuff with it. They're basically integrating the PDF reader more into Edge and being able to control or do more actions with PDFs within SharePoint. Along with PDF compression there, you can see how you compress files, if you want big files or smaller files, and the compression ratio. For Microsoft AI Copilot, they're adding a new dashboard around non-Copilot users and their activities with AI. So if they're using Copilot chat but don't have a license, they're also adding memory personalization. So this has been a feature with OpenAI for a little while now. And it's now coming to Copilot, so you'll be able to learn from your chat history, and you'll also be able to customize your personalization, so you can tell it, it's your name, your age, your job title, stuff like that, and it'll remember it. It will also have a major update to the AI video creation and image creation with the release of Sora 2 from OpenAI. They are looking to introduce that into the platform. They finally allowed you to upload multiple references into Copilot as well. So previously you could only upload one Microsoft image, but now you can do multiple, and that applies to most things. So you can upload multiple Word documents, for example, and have Copilot look at it. AI workflows has finally been released, so you're now able to do workflows within Teams. Like automating Teams messages or calling people, stuff like that. I personally haven't found a use for it, but hopefully someone will. And finally, the ability to purchase capacity packs. Microsoft has announced that the Copilot features for outside 365, so the chatbots or people using the Copilot agents without a license, will be subject to a pay-as-you-go model, but you can subsidize that with these capacity packs, which will most likely be tiers, but we have to wait and see when that's released. And the last big news is Claude by Ampathetic is available within the Copilot Research Agent. This is pretty big news for a few reasons. The first one is it's a move away from OpenAI. Microsoft has always used OpenAI or their own models, which are based off OpenAI's ChatGPTs for their Copilot, but now they have branched out a bit more, and it might be the first that we're seeing them branch out to other chatbots. It does require an admin to opt in. The reason behind this is because the data and the post-processing and all the information is being sent to Claude's data centers, not handled by Microsoft, so it won't be subject to the purview controls. So it's something to very much consider if you are turning it on. That's it for this quarterly update. Thank you.